potencia sin control no sirve de nada. Me levanto y leo las metas que tengo anotadas. No hay paciencia pa' pardillos, la tengo agotada. Y si me gustan los dos, compro uno de cada. Puta vigilancia aduanera, está todo comprada. Venga, te invito a cenar, te noto agobiada. Un jugador nunca se queda sentado en la grada. Me la follé y me fui temprano, ella quedó sobada. ¿Entiendes cómo es la movida? Ya te lo expliqué. Hice pasta ilegalmente y la multipliqué. Todo estando calladito, luego la limpié. Estudié un poco el mercado y diversifiqué. Se pensaban que era coña, ya ves que es en serio. Algunos sigue hablando mierda, no tiene remedio. O vienes a hacerme más rico, quítate del medio. No vas a encontrar un gallego con este promedio.
Shit, I'm in a mode. Shit, I wrote a song. Shit, get to this dough. Start a business, mind your own. Bitch, I need power and possession, at least a progression. Ain't got no time for that, we just keep that out the section. Goals, let me know what's next, let's get it off the checklist. I'm taking 2 out for the sex and then back to the session. I don't fuck with politics, that's crooked game. We tryna eat the table set and granny took the plates. Hey, you can never win if you never play. Yeah. Bitch, you gotta leave, ain't no time to stay. Yeah, that's how the game goes, you've been told. I made it on the under, multiplied and flipped the dough. Kept it quiet though, invested in my talents, now let's watch it grow. Thought it was a joke, I wasn't laughing, no. Might be with my dogs, that's a Labrador. Shit be going up, that's a Lambo door. Yeah. Stealth face, hey, got you in limbo though. You can take the elevator, still won't get my flow. Shit, I'm in a mode. Shit, I wrote a song. Shit, get to this dough. Start a business, mind your own. Bitch.